Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the Jeepin' Daily channel. How's everybody doing today? Today we are actually headed on our way up. It's about an hour and 40 minutes to the place where I had my first bumper. It's called Affordable Off-Road. I've got my first bumper from there. My girlfriend got her bumper from there, and I'm going to buy a Winch bumper from them. So, you're probably wondering what happened to the other bumper. Well, I sold the other Jeep that I bought, that 98 Cherokee I got for $1,000. Well, I sold that last night, and the guy bought this the bumper that was on my 5-speed one. He bought it with the other Jeep also. So, we need a bumper, and we need a Winch bumper. So that's what we're doing today, and while we're up there, we'll probably hit some trails a little bit. Nothing serious, because I'm going up alone, and if I get stuck, I'm fucked. So I'm on my way over to pick up my stepsister. We're gonna eat and we're gonna go on a road trip together to go get this bumper. But yeah, like I said, the other Jeep sold, so there will be a video explaining why I did that coming out sometime during the week. I'll probably make a video on it tonight or tomorrow, depending on how today goes. But we're gonna go pick this bumper up. We're gonna install the bumper. We might even install this Bluetooth radio I have sitting in the back seat. But let's get to this road trip. I wish it could be as short for me as it is going to be for you guys. pointing it up.
Okay.
Well, guys, wasn't much of a vlog. I actually brought my stepsister with me, and I didn't want to be vlogging in the car, but I tried getting some clips while we were driving on the highway, and I drove through a trail down Centralia just to play around a little bit while I was up there. But we got a winch bumper for the Jeep, but I'm not going to show it to you because I'm going to show it to you the next video, and we're going to also install it the next video, which is going to continue right after this one, so I'm going to have to intro a new video and all. But it's getting dark out. It's like 6 o'clock, I think. But anyways, yeah, it's 10 after 6. So I'm going to try doing my best with lighting and recording at the same time. But I'm just going to put the bumper on now because I still have to paint it. But I need a bumper. So guys, I just remembered I was getting ready to edit this video quick. And I just remembered I kind of cut that last clip off. So I don't really remember what I said because it is now 2.5 hours later from that point. But we went off-road today. Sold the 98 Jeep yesterday. I got a bumper, which you'll see that tomorrow, or whenever that video goes up and whenever this video goes up. And I think that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this quick little video, I don't know how long it's actually going to be after editing and everything, but if you enjoyed, leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button down below. Share this video and any of my videos with your friends, family, whatever. Get my name out there. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Peace out.